Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Acadia AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here: power windows, locks and mirrors, height adjustable trunk release. You do have a leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, audio controls, and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Gear selector now in the center for the button system. 4-wheel drive, heated seats, auto stop start, traction control, and parking sensors. All black interior. Vehicles equipped with Bose audio and our heated cloth AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Acadia, we do have the 17-inch wheel and tire package, AT4 rims with the Continental Terrain Contact AT tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging, color matched mirror caps with an LED strip, LED daytime running lamps and turn signals up front with fog lights, in the AT4 Black chrome grille. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back of the Acadia AT4, you have LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, rear parking sensors, backup camera, and a height adjustable power tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we have the cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. We have 2 more seats in the back, 50/50 split. This is the 7-passenger Acadia. Over top, LED lighting and a solid roof with heat and AC, your rear climate, USB ports and an outlet, and rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Acadia. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.